Step 1. Preparation. Secure the four wheels of the product to ensure that the product does not move. Open the drain plug. Press the gray groove of the drain and pull out the drain plug. Connect the drain pipe. Close the valve at the drain. Connect the power cord to the device and the power supply. Step 2. Add water to the machine. Remove the humidification box and take off the cap of the water inlet. Add an appropriate amount of water to the wetting cup and tightly seal it with the lid. Install the humidification box onto the hydrogen inhaler. Open the lid of the water inlet on the top of the machine. Add an appropriate amount of water to the hydrogen inhaler. Tighten the drain cap. Connect the hoses to the hydrogen suction machine in order. Step 3. Start the machine. Turn on the power button. If this symbol appears on the display, please add water until the symbol disappears. Press the start button and the machine begins to start. Press the flow button to switch the flow settings from a maximum of 1800 milliliter per minute to a minimum of 300 milliliters per minute. Press the time button to set a timer for a maximum of 6 hours and a minimum of 1 hour. Step 4. Shut down the machine. Pull out the hose. Turn off the power and unplug the power cord and plug. Open the drain valve and the cover of the top water inlet. Catch the water from the drain pipe with a cup. After the water is drained, press the gray groove to pull it out and plug the drain stopper. Close the water filler opening. Remove the humidification box, pour out the water, and install it onto the hydrogen inhaler.